I'm starting here, and I put like that because you can put how many chain you want to measure your baby's feet. So I'm going to, here got 12, but I'm going to do 18 because it's going to be a thin yarn, because here in Malaysia we don't like wool, it is too warm, so we're using a thinner one. I'm going to do 18 chain, 3, 4, this is 3, 18 ready. That's the basic one, 18, and add another 3, this one consider as a double crochet, and then on the 4th do double crochet 3 on the same chain, double crochet. Three ready. Then next will be double crochet until the end here. We are doing the double crochet this one. We start 3 chain and then 3 of this, and then double crochet. On this chain there will be 7, and then here 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then go for the next one. Here will be next like that, and hide the thread. Go here until the end here. Come to end ready here. On that chain you do 3 double crochets, then 1, 2, 3, and do the slip chain. Then now the next one is do 3 chain on the same chain here, double crochet, and the next one increase, double crochet, increase, should be 4 increase, 1, 2, 3, 4. And do double crochet next, nothing increase, no increase, just do same until this part, the end here. This is the one who has 7 double crochets there. This is the one we did 3 chain and a double crochet, and consider as this is 1, 2, 3, 4, and the next is all double crochet until the end here, and then we have to do all the increase here, 7 of it. Then we reach here already, and this is the 7 of it, the circle one. So here you increase, there, 7. 7 already. Next is just double crochet until this end. See this on the same one, stop there. There must be increase. Okay, here got 3, that the chain we increase there. Now we increase here 2, 2, next one also 2. Okay, now do slip chain 1, 2, 3 and chain. See, this is how it looks like. See here, increase like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Increase. Next one is, okay, now we are going to do the red one. 3 chain. We did the red one already. Oh yes, we did the red one already. Okay, now we're going to do the blue one. This one, 3 chain. Don't do the increase the next one. It will be consider like 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. Okay, do 3 chain, 3, then increase. The next one increase, this, you see this, that's 1 there. Here increase. There's 1, and then here will be 1 here, and then here increase. Then 1, then 2, here 2, and here 1, and here 2. So how many did I increase? 1, 2, 3, 4. The rest. Will you reach this part here? The increase part. This is the increase part. But you stop here. I need to tell you about what to do there. Single crochet, double crochet 1, then 2 increase, double crochet 1, then 2 increase, and there must be 7 increase. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I reach here already. First, that's the increase part. First put 1 double crochet, then 2, here 2 increase. Then here 1, 2, do until you got 7 increase. There, that's 7 increase here. See, that's 1, that's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now do single crochet, double crochet, and then you reach up to here. Up to here. There, this is the increase one. You stop there. Now we do here. We come to this corner already. I mean not corner. The circle one, the increase one. Double crochet. Here you put 1 like that, and then here 2 double crochets here on the same chain, Next will be 1, then 2, 1, then 2. This one don't do because it's a slip chain. So 1, 2, 3 slip. So this is the foot part, the step part. Part 1. Then this is the step. So this is the one. Okay. So next, I did the experiment one. It's a bit smaller, so I think this baby only can wear 1 month to 2 months only. I think not even reach to 2 months also cannot wear already. So this will go for 2 months or 2, 3 or 4 like that. The wool one, this is the wool step. Look at it. 2 is enough already. The thin thread, thin yarn will be 1, 2, 3. Wool one you have to start is, don't count this, you count this 1, 2, 3, 4. You start on the 4th when you're going up the shoes. This one will be start on the 7th. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's do it again. Okay, that's the 7th. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7th. On the 7th, do single crochet. One chain first, and then on that one, on the same chain, single crochet. Go around until stop the last 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Stop the last 4. Last 4 don't do. See, I stopped at last 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I stopped at last 4. Now you just do 1 chain, turn and go back. Same thing, you reach here, you turn, do 3 rounds or 4, whichever you want to change color. I'll show you how to change color. Okay, we reach here already, so we just have to turn and do there. Keep going until you reach this place. Okay, come to the end. I got the last one here because I don't want to finish up. I don't want to finish up, so I'm going to put this one, make a knot first like that, there, then pull in, this one, hold it tight. I'll let go already, tight, then do 1 chain, turn it, don't cut the pink, red, yellow color, white color, because you're going to do it again. Then do single crochet, go around and hide this thread like that. There, like this. Then you can put wherever you like the colors, but I put this way. This is the done one, so this is not done yet. So look at it. I need to fold this, and oh, it's the same. Oh, if it's the same one, I just have to turn it upside down. Yes, when I turn it, and I'm folding this way. So start the sewing here, then go on to the white color. You sew it to the white place like that. So you can turn it to make sure it does not go to the same. This will go in, and this will, you have to fold it this way like that. Okay. So it's the same. So I just have to turn. Then it will be this way. Yes. I just sew it from here. The white color one, you go through like that. And you sew it onto the white part. Like that. It's coming along nicely. Then I sew this one part ready. Now just make sure you sew it from hook it here, and it white. So you know you're not sewing on the feet. What they call it? I forgot. Steps. Like that until the end. You have to count this also. I count 3, 3, 3, so 16. So sew them together here.